Ever wished you could leave your bulky wallet at home? Imagine not having to carry around all that extra weight in your pocket or purse. Well, with digital wallets, you practically can. These nifty apps let you store all your essential cards right on your smartphone. Imagine a digital space where you can securely store your credit card info, loyalty cards, and even tickets. It's like having a mini vault in your pocket. Yep, that's a digital wallet in a nutshell. It's super convenient and easy to use. Instead of carrying around a bunch of plastic, you can pay for things with just your phone or smartwatch. Pretty cool, right? No more fumbling through your wallet at the checkout. It's like having a virtual assistant for your money. It keeps everything organized and accessible with just a few taps. But like any tech, security is key. You want to make sure your information is safe and protected. That's why we're going to dive into how to make your digital wallet Fort Knox level secure. From setting strong passwords to enabling biometric authentication, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for some easy-to-follow tips. We'll show you how to keep your digital wallet safe and sound so you can enjoy all its benefits without any worries. Okay, so digital wallets sound futuristic and all, but why should you jump on the bandwagon? Let's break it down. First off, convenience. No more fumbling for cash or the right card at the checkout. Just tap and go. Imagine being in a rush and not having to dig through your bag or wallet. It's a real time saver. Plus, your payment info is encrypted, making it way more secure than swiping your physical card. Encryption ensures that your data is scrambled and unreadable to unauthorized users. Second, digital wallets often come with extra security features like two-factor authentication. This adds an additional layer of security by requiring not just your password but also a second form of verification. This means even if someone gets your phone, they still can't access your money without an extra layer of verification. Biometric authentication, like facial recognition or fingerprint scans, makes it even harder for unauthorized access. Third, many digital wallets offer rewards programs and cashback offers. These incentives can add up over time, giving you more value for your everyday purchases. So not only is it convenient and secure, but it can also save you some dough. Imagine getting a little extra back every time you make a purchase. It's like getting rewarded for spending money you would have spent anyway. Additionally, digital wallets often come with budgeting tools that help you track your spending. This can be a great way to manage your finances and stay on top of your budget. And let's not forget the ease of splitting bills with friends. No more awkward moments figuring out who owes what. Just a few taps and you're done. From public transport to online shopping, digital wallets are becoming an essential part of our daily lives. So, why not make the switch and enjoy all these perks? Now let's talk security. In today's digital age, protecting your personal information is more important than ever. One of the most important things you can do is enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This simple yet powerful tool adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Think of it like a bodyguard for your digital wallet. Just as a bodyguard protects you from physical threats, 2FA protects your digital assets from cyber threats. With 2FA enabled, every time you try to access your wallet, you'll need to enter a unique code sent to your phone or email. This code is generated in real time and is unique to each login attempt. This way, even if someone steals your password, they still can't get in without that second layer of verification. It acts as a fail-safe, ensuring that your account remains secure even if your password is compromised. Most digital wallet providers offer 2FA, so make sure you turn it on. It's a quick and easy process that can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. It might seem like an extra step, but trust us, it's worth it for the peace of mind. Knowing that your digital assets are protected allows you to use your digital wallet with confidence and ease. Password power. Don't be basic. We've all been guilty of using weak passwords like password 123, don't lie. But when it comes to your digital wallet, strong passwords are a must. Avoid using common words or easily guessable combinations. Instead, opt for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Think of it like this. The more complex your password, the harder it is to crack. And whatever you do, don't use the same password for multiple accounts. If one account gets compromised, you don't want the hackers getting access to everything else. Update time. Don't be a sitting duck. Digital wallet providers are constantly working behind the scenes to improve security and patch vulnerabilities. That's why it's super important to keep your app updated to the latest version. Think of updates like software upgrades for your digital wallet's defenses. They often include the latest security patches to protect you from emerging threats. So next time you see that little update notification, don't ignore it. Take a few minutes to download and install it. Your digital wallet will thank you for it. Join the digital wallet revolution. There you have it. Digital wallets are super convenient, and with these tips you can make them super secure too. No more bulky wallets, just tap and go. What do you think about digital wallets? Are you ready to make the switch? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications? We've got a ton of awesome tech content coming your way. Stay tuned.